Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to buy Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. All right, let's begin. First, open the Phantom Wallet mobile application and log into your account. On the homepage, you will see all the coins in your wallet. Before purchasing meme coins, ensure you have enough Solana to cover gas fees. If you need more Solana, tap Buy at the top, select Solana, enter the amount, and proceed with payment using MoonPay or Coinbase Pay. Once you have Solana, tap Swap. Ensure Solana is selected at the top, then tap Select Token. A list of meme coins will appear, including dog with hat, cat, and others. If you want to buy Bonk, type Bonk in the search bar, select it, then enter the amount of Solana you wish to spend. The equivalent Bonk amount will be displayed. Tap Review, and if your balance is sufficient, a confirmation page will appear. On the next page, confirm your swap, and the meme coins will be added to your Phantom Wallet. So that's basically how you can buy Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.